वफाकी वज़ीर ख़ज़ाना मोहम्मद औरंगज़ेब का कहना है कि पॉलिसी रेट नीचे आ रहा है और इसमें मज़ीद कमी भी मुतवक्के है। वो समझते हैं कि कायबोर में कमी ज़्यादा अहम है।
Policy rate coming down, the inflationary expectations certainly for January, and therefore further reduction in policy rates, although it's very much the domain of the central bank. But I look at Kaibor because that's what matters for you. It's not the policy rate, it's Kaibor. First week of January, we got the budget process going. And we requested all the government departments to come back to us with their expenditure views and where they are and what they think they are going to be spending and what they need in the next fiscal year. We have gone to all the forums, including PBC, all the associations, all the chambers, asking for their inputs by early February.